on the city, goddamn. This man, I ain't never hesitate to bling bling. I ain't never been fake. I represent all the boy be bad. One man Rico, big records on that ass. Real G's, we never die. We multiply. Yeah, get better like lump. I wanna roll with this. Bitch, ain't no scary shit. Yeah, y'all just be my dog. We the realest. When I step to the club, all eyes on me. I make my way to the bar so I can get my drink on. I'm like, chill, don't start no shit. Look across the room, I don't spot the clip. Now I walk across the club with the music. I'm home, fuck it and fuck me like a soft sucker. But I guess you don't wanna fight tonight. But I gotta apologize before I get uptight. Yeah, buddy, I can deal with that. To make a long story short, I get respect. Yeah, I finally made it out with the crew. Taste pretty. Damn, man, we gon' hit this one or two. Hold on, what's going on? Talk these up. Okay, call Chris, let's about like Black troops coming through the crowd. Never stand face to face, proof that it's a cow. Now, but who wants somebody wanna shake some, yo? Oh, fuck that shit, bring the beat to the floor. Real G. That's right, we never die. We multiply. Yeah, get better like plum. I wanna roll with this. Get no scary shit. Yeah, just be my dog. What? We the realest. Round three, till you feel me, yo. Tell me, do it get better? Motherfucking no. Yeah, keep talking, you making me rich like my man P. Doing wanna step to this. Real G head cracking, I'm knocking out teeth. I'm giving this shit. Girl, ready for me to beat. Don't need to stick out up the man on the way full speed. Better go. I get hurt, boy, they all hurt. Man, I'm ready to play. I'm there, I hit the talk. But never mind what they say about mine. She up 2G. My time shine. It's don't be pooping like every you. Cause the end around green, I'm still not through. Real G. And I ain't going nowhere. We never die. We stand right here. We multiply. Get better like more. Baby, we real G's. Say what? Okay, come on. We real G's. We what? We real G's. Where he at? Let him know right now. Fuck it up. We real G's. My trip right on.